Good morning students. Now today we are going to discuss different types of motion. In last class we have already discussed about the rectilinear motion and circular motion. The third types of motion is periodic motion. Periodic motion. What is periodic motion? When a body repeat its motion after fixed interval of time. Fixed interval of time, the motion is said to be periodic motion. So what is periodic motion? When an object repeats its motion after fixed or regular interval of time, then the motion is said to be periodic motion. Now what are the examples of periodic motion? First is motion of a pendulum. Second is motion of a swing. Third is motion of the earth around the sun in a circular path. So these are the examples of periodic motion. First is motion of a pendulum. Second is motion of a swing. Third is motion of the earth around the sun in a circular path. All of you know the earth revolves around the sun. Suppose this is the sun and earth that revolves around the sun in a fixed interval of time, that is 365 days and 6 hours. Similarly also the moon revolves around the earth in a fixed interval of time. So these are the examples of periodic motion. So periodic motion is that motion in which the body repeats its motion after regular interval of time. In the case of pendulum, suppose this is the rigid support and here we tie a metallic bob with a thread, and when it starts to oscillate about its mean position, this is the mean position, this is the extreme position, this is the another extreme position. So bob will be always moves to and fro motion about its mean position. So this to and fro motion about its fixed position, that is called oscillatory motion, and also in the fixed interval of time the bob repeats its motion, that's why it is called periodic motion. So motion of a pendulum, it is an example of periodic motion. Now next is, what is speed? Everywhere you heard that speed of the vehicles is 40 km per hour or 40 meter per second. So next heading is speed. What is speed? First, you know what is the formula of speed? Distance traveled by the body, distance traveled by the body by time. Actually, distance traveled by the body divided by total time taken. So what is speed? The distance traveled by the body per unit time is called speed. So how do you define the distance traveled by the body per unit time? Is called speed. What is speed? Distance traveled by the body per unit time is called speed. Now speed is a vector quantity or a scalar quantity. Can you know what is speed? Is a scalar quantity because speed has magnitude but no direction. So speed is a scalar quantity. Now what is the unit, SI unit of speed? SI unit of speed. SI unit of speed, all of you know, the distance is measured in meter, that is length is measured in meter and time is measured in second. So speed is equal to formula, this is equal to, that is distance by time. So SI unit of distance is meter and SI unit of time is second. So SI unit of speed is meter per second. You can also write m inverse 1. Now what are the another unit of speed, in which unit the speed can also be expressed? So another unit, that is centimeter per second, kilometer per hour or millimeter per second. So besides meter per second, we can also express the speed in centimeter per second, kilometer per second and millimeter per second. Now can you tell me what is the name of the device which is used to measure the speed of a car or speed of a vehicle? The name of that device is speedometer. What is speedometer? A device used to measure the speed of the vehicle. is called speedo. So what is speedometer? A device used to measure the speed of the vehicle is called speedometer. Thank you.